I'm curious, how do you recover or rejuvenate your spirit after going through emotional stress? I'm Virginia Wright from Grow to Profit, where you learn to get rid of whatever is holding you back from success. I'm curious, how do you recover after something throws you completely off the tracks? You feel you have absolutely no control over the situation. Do you read, journal, go for a walk or a drive? Do you call someone to talk? See, a couple of those things involve getting up, moving around, which I think helps a lot. The body in motion stays in motion, and something at rest is just going to stay there. I take that literally. Rather than as I do my morning routine, I read, journal, meditate, throw in a little bit of exercise because I know I have to. I really do need to stay limber, to be able to keep up with the grandkids and all that good stuff. But I decided, instead of meditating and sitting quietly with my eyes closed, that I would instead walk around with my eyes open, my ears full on so I could listen. I wanted to get back into the moment. I needed to leave the thoughts behind. The only way to do that is to move away, for me, physically and mentally. So I went for a walk, and I usually do have my phone with me, not so much because I want calls or to text message, but it takes some really great pictures and videos. I caught a couple of what I think were really good ones, and I thought, I'm just going to share them. You might like them too. I saw a peach thieving squirrel. Got a picture. Actually, I caught a quick short video. And, I could have got upset about that. I mean, he's out there eating our peaches. But the way I see it, they can't exactly go to a grocery store. We can. And, maybe the squirrel thought he was in a farmer's market. I mean, that's cool. That's fine. And actually, we could plant some more peach trees if we really wanted more. I saw a couple of birds taking a dirt bath. Yes, a dirt bath. I have a bird bath with water in it, but no, these were taking a dirt bath. I caught a really short video of a cardinal in flight. I even caught a pair of rabbits thinking about starting a family. Now, I didn't know that's what it was. I get these pictures, I see bugs, I see critters, and I wanted to look up, what they were doing. I mean, I figure rabbits jumping around, they must be having fun. Well, one rabbit by itself is jumping for joy and having fun, but usually when there's two, it's like a mating dance. So that's why I said they're contemplating starting a family. As I walked around and listened, I began to be filled with gratitude and thankfulness. While I caught the pictures of the birds taking a dirt bath, I could hear my washing machine running in the background. And it reminded me of my younger days when we used washboards. And I'm glad that today I only see them in pictures. It also reminded me of when we needed to use outhouses. And probably why I am so not big on spiders or snakes to this day. I'm thankful for indoor plumbing and running water. I got some memories. Depending on your age, you may have some memories too. I'm glad those things have changed. I have so many blessings and things to be thankful for. I am richer than other people in different parts of the world. I began to feel at peace again. I wasn't feeling emotionally drained or stressed out anymore. I was able to think. I felt stronger and ready to face whatever God had planned for me. I started folding laundry and couldn't resist. This is Lucy. She is one of our 6-pack of fur babies. And obviously today she's helping me fold shirts. So what I have are a couple of takeaways for you today. Get into the moment. Be in the present. Find something to laugh about. Even if it's yourself. I laugh at me quite a bit. Practice thankfulness and gratitude, even for the smallest things. Comment below with what you may have found helpful or actions that you take that have helped you overcome emotional stress or mental exhaustion. And if you got value, share it with others you think it may help. Together, we could help others have brighter days. Until the next time, take care and God bless.